Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Speaking English is your biggest problem. Doesn't matter. Speaking, reading, writing, or listening is your problem. The technique I'm going to suggest you today will definitely help you out to ace all of these four things. Your English speaking, your English listening, writing, and speaking. All of these four. Let's get into it without wasting any time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Darlings, go and subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. So first of all, you need to select one topic. What topic you're gonna select? You need to select a topic in which you are interested. Like personally, I love things that are kind of motivation or interviews. And I can say, I love to watch makeover stuffs. I like to watch any makeup tutorials or some self-grooming vlogs. So if I have to select any topic, I'll select self-grooming. What topic you want to select? Make sure that the topic you're going to select, you have to plunge yourself into this topic for the next 7 days. So make sure that your topic should be interesting. It shouldn't be any kind of boring like news. You can't watch news all the time, right? So make sure, be careful when you are selecting your topic. As I've selected self-grooming videos because I can watch all the time these videos because they give me some motivation, some relaxing vibes. That's why. After selecting a topic, you need to go to the YouTube and search those videos in English. For instance, I selected the topic self-grooming. So what I'm gonna do is, I will watch May Farm vlogs, I'll watch James Charles vlogs, I'll watch any kind of like Kim Kardashian's, kind of. So I'll go with such things. Let me guide you about one thing for your convenience. You can write down your topic in the comment section and I will suggest you 3 channels in British or American English relevant to your interest so that you don't need to search for those channels. So that will not be that much tricky for you. What you need to do is write down what topic you want to select and then in the comments, I will tell you about the 3 channels in both accents. Next step. For instance, I've suggested you Anna's channel. So you will go to the YouTube and watch her videos for straight 7 days. Whenever you will have time for 7 days, you are not allowed to watch any other language video. Only those videos from those channels that I'm suggesting you for the 7 days. Now, the main thing is those videos will be comprehensible for you. Why? Because you have selected a topic in which you are interested in. If you're selecting self-grooming, if you're selecting communication skills, so this is the topic that is entertaining for you and that's not dull for you. That's what this practice does. It will help you to make English comprehensible for you. Something is difficult or uncomfortable for us when we are not aware of it, when it's not comprehensible to us. But when you will watch the videos of your interest every single day, then it will make your English language journey easier one. That was the first step. Second step is you need to go to the Google and write down, suggest me some of the amazing self-grooming blogs. And after that, you need to select any of the first or second blog that will appear on the Google and you just need to read 2 to 3 paragraphs. After reading 2 to 3 paragraphs of your interest topic, you'll be able to improve your reading too. Now you are listening about the same topic, you are reading about the same topic. It's no more dull for you. It's no more uncomfortable for you. Now you are learning English on your own terms by being comfortable. Because most of the students don't want to come out of their comfort zone. They want to improve their English in their comfort zone. But the one hassle that you will face is the language barrier, obviously. Initially, it will be a little tricky for you to understand the native speaker's accents, but gradually it will become easier. As I told you, 7 days, and I am saying if you will implement this technique, you will feel the visible difference in your English language. First step, listen about the same topic. Second step, read about the same topic, approximately 1 to 2 paragraphs that you need to read, minimum and maximum as much as you can. Third thing, now you need to write down the summary. For instance, today you have watched 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 videos and you have read 3 paragraphs. Now you need to write it down in a notebook, like in 14 to 15 lines you have to explain whatever you have understood. Don't think my tense is correct or not. You just need to explain the summary of whatever you have watched, whatever you have read in 14 to 15 lines. And after that, one last thing is you need to basically record a video. You need to record the video, and in the video you have to talk about in 1 minute or in 2 minutes whatever you have watched, whatever you have read, whatever you have written. Now it's time for you to explain it. Now see, you're working constantly about the same topic. It will improve your vocabulary about your relevant topic by being comprehensible. It will help you to improve your listening, reading, writing, speaking, all of the 4 modules. So try to implement this practice. Initially, it will be a little difficult for you, but I'm repeating and summarizing it. Listen about the same material, read about the same material, write about the same material, and talk about the same material. That's what you need to do in the upcoming 7 days from today. Let me, for your motivation, tell you about one thing. There is no tomorrow. There is no past. Only one thing that you have is your present. So consider it your present, a true present, and transform your presence into amazing future, because if it's your presence, once you're putting your effort in your presence, your future you will be amazing, obviously. So although I was not feeling well today, but I am still recording the video after taking some medication, but I'm alright. Actually, I was stuttering a lot because today I've taken a lot of sessions, and because of that my tongue is just rolling, because when I talk a lot, it's happened to me, maybe it happened to you too, guys, that when you talk a lot, so your tongue is like rolling, and sometimes it's difficult for you to pronounce some of the words. So it's like that. So I need your support, I need your love. Show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner, and let me tell you, there is a flat 50% off on all of our courses. If you want to register yourself, you can register yourself now. We are providing you amazing customized courses in which you have to let us know about the 5 problems that you are facing, and we'll design the course outline accordingly. So take great care of yourself. Show your love and support for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you have learned something from this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.